Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make delicious tuna longganisa, a flavorful and healthier twist on a classic Filipino sausage. We'll go through each step to create this tasty dish. You'll need basic ingredients like canned tuna, fresh garlic, and common pantry staples. It's a simple process that yields fantastic results, perfect for any meal of the day. Now let's get to the fun part. Mixing and shaping. First, make sure to drain your tuna flakes very well to avoid a watery mixture. Then, in a large bowl, combine the tuna with all your seasonings. Mix everything together thoroughly for about 5 minutes. Once combined, take a small portion, around 3 tablespoons, and shape it into a log using wax paper. This creates a skinless longanisa. Cooking tuna longanisa is quite straightforward. Start by placing your shaped longanisa in a pan with about 1 cup of water. Bring it to a boil, then lower the heat and let it simmer until most of the water has evaporated. Next, add a few tablespoons of cooking oil. Continue to cook over medium heat, turning the longanisa frequently until it's beautifully golden brown and slightly caramelized on all sides. This ensures it's cooked through and delicious. To enjoy your tuna longanisa later, store uncooked portions in the refrigerator for up to 3 days or freeze them for up to 2 months. When ready to eat, simply reheat by pan frying or microwaving. This versatile dish is best served warm. Pair it with a generous serving of garlic fried rice and a sunny side-up egg for a classic and satisfying Filipino breakfast or any meal of the day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.